All right, so we started back last year with an online video site which is focused on personal stories, people telling stories, and we opened it up, and interesting things happened. Some good, some bad. What we found out from that experience is that people really liked, in particular, one feature of our beta, which is this one right here. This is a story, a timeline. You have all the episodes in this storyline lined up along this line, but the interesting bit is really these connections right here. So users that have other stories and other videos on the system like to connect videos with one another, and what that does essentially creates linkages that then you can navigate, move on to a different storyline, watch another video.
And I just got home from work.
So that was very interesting. So we decided why limit this, and why not create something else? You know, FA comes along, and how about creating a similar experience but inside of Facebook? There's a lot of video players on Facebook and other social networks. And we wanted to kind of recreate that sort of a social experience. So that's what we did. We created an application called Video Map. Worked quite a bit on it. It's built on Flax, and we rolled it out actually last week. Here's how it looks like. All right. So that is me. This is my Video Map right there. These are friends that I have elected to add to my Video Map. And really, this is a map of friends. Some of my friends, in fact, are actually channels like this one. This is a BBC YouTube channel. So the interesting bit is that at the bottom right here, I have videos. For the most part, car videos. I really love those ones. They're pretty good. I love the Top Gear and Fifth Gear, British BBC shows, and I watch them. And what happens when I click on a friend, I hop on their map. And I can continue to do so. Everybody, each and every user, kind of manages their own map, and they add channels and users to their map and add videos to it. How do I consume this content? Then I just go in and just play. It plays in the player. Some people complain about the quality. I told them, it's YouTube, it's not me. But HD is coming. So one interesting way to search for video is by searching. And right now our search uses the YouTube APIs, but very soon we're announcing a lot more. And the interesting thing about what's happening here? Slow search. All right. Well, let's assume it worked. If I like the video, search the video, play the video, like the video, I just add it. Right now, this video actually happens to be on my playlist. And another thing that I can do, which I think it's quite interesting, I can see who has this video. Now, this is, quite surprisingly, something that you cannot really do on the major platforms, video platforms. Some of the aggregators, like preference aggregators like StumbleUpon and Dig and others, have done something similar, but this is quite unique. So what this does, in this case, this video has only 2 people that actually have added it to their collection. It shows me somebody else who has this video. Now, we show users that are not necessarily your friends. So this becomes sort of a discovery vehicle to connect with people that you may not have connected with on Facebook. The other interesting bit is that if we have, in this case, we don't have enough data points, but if we have enough data points, we can look at the playlist of these users, look at the videos that they put into their collection, and look for patterns. In other words, we're not happy with the related feeds that are coming from YouTube and other services. So we created our own algorithm that does that. And the filter really is what people are preferring, what people are putting into their playlist, what people are watching. That we use those parameters to extract the list of favorites, and that's it. Is that the time? The next step, working on this has been finding out that we have an algorithm that is quite interesting, quite powerful to power search and recommendations for video. And we are able to tag content without looking at metadata. So we're working on that. Right now it's in stealth. It's the next iteration of this product.
Let me launch by asking you how the announcement or the expansion of the YouTube API affects your Truman Show.
We are working with other APIs as well. As in, you know, a lot of new stuff is coming actually very, very soon. But it does because it allows something very interesting, which is interaction with your YouTube channel. So for the most part, services read your YouTube account channel and just pull, you know, information from it. With the new